Yes guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can apply for Australian visa. Here we go. Just go to Mr. Google, put this information, put immigration Australia. As you can see, for me I already have it in my system. I can just click here, immigration Australia. So you can see this is the official website. I will just go direct to that. Then you see visas, you click here. Then getting a visa, you click here. List of visas, here they will be showing you the whole list of visas they have in their system. You click there. So here they are showing you visa list. For us, we shall go for the visitor visa subclass 600. This is what you will go for. Sometimes it is called like tourist visa, visitor visa. This is the visa you will go for, subclass 600. For those who are going to apply, like attending conferences, going for businesses, visiting a family, everything is in this visa here. So as you can see, tourist stream apply outside Canada. For us, we are outside Canada, so no, we are outside Australia. So there is another one here inside Australia here when you are already in the country. There is also this one, business visitor stream, but for us we shall go with this one, outside Australia, because you are not in that country but you want to go there. So we shall go with that. Here they are showing you the amount of visa you're gonna pay, 190 Australian dollars. This visa you can go up to 12 months. You can send that country up to 12 months. Then you shall come apply. As you can see, me, I already have an account. So for you guys, if you don't have an account, you just come here and you create account here down here. You create account, then after you come back and log in. But for me, I already have an account. I will just say login. Then you scroll down, we say continue. So they're asking you, this is the first step of your application form. I have read and agreed the terms and the conditions. Yes, you say next. So is this applicant currently outside Australia? You say yes. Country of location, you say Uganda if you're in Uganda. Legal status, they're asking you citizen. You say if you are a citizen, you say citizen. Select a stream the applicant is applying for. They are showing you the first one, the second, the third one. You choose the best which that fits you. There is business visitor stream. In the business, there is business visitor for meetings, conferences, for those going for conferences or any event. You click here, business, the first one. List of all reasons for visiting Australia. You may say business. Then give details of any significant dates on which the applicant needs to be in Australia. You may say maybe I would like, you say I would like to travel on maybe 10th August 2024. You just give the details. As you can see, I don't want to waste a lot of time, but I'm trying to explain to you the steps and the procedures you have to go through. Is this application being logged as a part of a group? If you're applying one person, you say no. But if you are going alone, you will say no. That means you are going to travel one person. You understand? If you are going many people, you say yes and you follow the procedure, because when you say yes, they will ask you to describe the people who are accompanying you. So is this applicant traveling as a representative of any foreign government? You will say no. Then we say next here. So family here they are asking you give names, family name. You put your names here, then you give given name, male, date of birth, as on your passport, because for me I'm just giving you as an example, but this is not the exact information, guys, because I'm just showing you how you can go about it. So you put your passport number, and you put your passport number, but me I'm just giving you an example. You understand, guys? Because I'm just using this form to show you what is exactly that should be done. You understand? So country of passport, Uganda. Where is Uganda? It's here, Uganda. So nationality, passport order, still Uganda. Date of issue. Then they're asking you when the issued date of your passport. Let me say you select, you choose, you get all this information from your passport. But me, I'm just giving you as an example. I'm just trying to fill in this form just as an example, guys. Just follow the procedures and all instructions. And when you it expire, you may say maybe because our Ugandan passport usually takes 10 years. Then maybe which date should I put? Maybe this. Then place of issue, you say Ugandan government, Ugandan government. Then does this applicant does this applicant have a national ID? You may say yes or no. If you don't have, you say no. But if you have, you say yes. Maybe you say no. But if you have, you say yes, and they will ask you to put the card details of your national ID. Then you will put them, you will fill that information. Is this applicant a Pacific Australian card holder? You say no. Please, town or place of birth, we shall say Kampala. Province, we shall say Central region. Country of birth, shall say Uganda. Where is Uganda? I can't. Uganda. So relationship status, if you are single, you put never married. If you are married, you should be able to provide a marriage certificate, guys. Don't go with something that you can't prove. If you are not married, just say never married. So is this applicant currently have been known by other names? You say no. If you don't have any other names, is this applicant a citizen of a selected country? Say yes. Is this applicant a citizen of any other country? You say no. Previous travel to Australia, as this applicant previous travel to Australia, you say no. As this applicant previously applied for, you say no. Grant number, you say no. Other passport, or you say no. Other daily documents, you say no. You say no. You say next. So here they are asking you, is this the above information correct? You say yes, then you click on next. So we go on the next step. Each person traveling to Australia must submit a separate visitor visa. This. Is there any other person traveling with the applicant to Australia? You say no. Then you say next. So here they are asking you country of residence, usual country of residence. You say Uganda, department office. The applicant may be required to attend an Australian government office for an interview with this. So please, here they're asking you the address, which is the closest office to the applicant's current location. If you're in Uganda, so they're asking you your closest office. In Uganda, we don't have any Australian consulate. So, but it's in Kenya. So when you come here and you select, they will be showing you the one in Kenya. So you will be entitled to go to Kenya, guys, if you're in Uganda, because in Uganda we don't have any. So you will say you can see Kenya, Nairobi. Note that a street address is required. A post office address cannot be accepted as a residence address. Please, country, you put in your address here. Uganda address, maybe you put address, the address that belongs to you. Maybe Kawempe, then you say sub or town, you put Kampala. Then here they are showing you Bukedia, Buyukwe. Where is the one that belongs to Kampala? Kabale, Jinja, Kagadi. These are okay. We shall put Kampala here, sub or town. Then here we shall put Kawempe. Postal code. I think most of the times we don't have postal code, but I think you can put 000. Enter numbers that with no spaces. Phone number you can put 0703. Then business phone number. If you have a business phone number, you put yes. If you don't have, you leave it empty. Is this postal address the same as the residential address? You say yes. So email address, this is the email. You say next. Okay, we say save. Okay, yeah, they're asking you, does this applicant authorize another person to receive written correspondence on their behalf? You say no. This person is referred to as the Then okay, you say yeah, next. So yeah, they're asking me, does the applicant have any members of their family unit not traveling to Australia who are not Australian citizens or permanent? You say yes. No, you say no because you are traveling alone. You say no because you are going to be traveling alone. So okay. Proposed period of stay. Does this applicant intend to enter Australia on more than one occasion? You say no. If you are going to be like traveling many times, it's all about you. You choose the one that fits you. But for me, I would say no. How long does this applicant plan to stay in Australia? So here you choose the length. You may say up to 3 months because it will be a visitor visa. You are going to attend a conference, so you shouldn't put a lot of like a long period of time to spend in that country, because the more period you put there, the more money you have to provide on your bank statement. Planned date. Okay, when are you planning to travel? You may say maybe 2024, maybe August, date 9th. Then planned final departure date. You may say that you are going to spend there 1 week, because the more date you put, the more duration you put, the more money you should provide on your bank statement, guys. You should also consider that. For me, I would say we are going to spend there only one week. So it will be August up to 18th. You understand, guys? 18th. You can see the period 1 week is enough for you guys. will this applicant undertake a course of study? You say no. Then we go next. So here they are asking you current employment details. So if you are employed, if you have a job, you say employed. You understand? Occupation or grouping. So you say, you put, you maybe manager, sales worker. If you belong to others, you put others. Hope you get it. You can say sales worker. Organization, you put your company you are working with. I'm just using an example. Start date with this current employer, the period like when you started working with this company, you may put since last year on 2nd. So organization address, you put the address of that company you are working with, or that organization you are working with, guys. I don't want you to get stuck. Just follow the steps as I'm showing you. Everything will be easy for you. You put the address here. You may say maybe this state of province. You may say here they are showing you Lukungiri, Kabale, what. So you come here and select where that the exact address that fits your location or your workplace. Your workplace should be with an address. Hope you get me. So for me, I will choose here Kampala. Where is Kampala exactly? I can't see it. A minute, I can't see Kampala. Where is it? Fort Kampala. Postal code, you can put 00. You can put 00. Contact phone number, you put a phone number of the business or the manager or what. 5. I'm just putting any number, guys. Don't worry about that. Email address, you put the email address of the manager or the human resource or of the director. An email address, you should be in contact with the people whom you are working with. So you may put maybe Ronnie Mills at gmail.com. So we go next. No thanks. So give the details of the applicant's stay in Australia. You may say if you are going to fund yourself, you can say self-funded, meaning the bank statement here, it will be yours. If someone is going to sponsor you guys, meaning the bank statement and other supporting documents, maybe like a cover letter, will be from that person who's gonna sponsor your trip. So what funds will the applicant have available to support the stay in this? So here you put like maybe you will be with 1,000 Australian dollar. Here you can click on the question mark. They usually tell you. You understand, guys? They usually answer that question according to what you have. You understand? So funding of stay, they are showing you what is required: bank statement, letter of support from the applicant's financial institution stating their financial. So you come here, guys. So I will just put this. So basically here they are okay. Principal business activity in Australia. You say conferences. If you are going for conferences, you put conferences. If you are going for meetings, you go for meetings. But me, I will go with conferences. So here they are saying provide details, dates, and the location of the conference or meeting. You understand? So for me, I will just say add here, and I put the detail of the activity. You may say you put the name of the conference, please, because when you get a conference, the conference organizers, they will send you an invitation letter. So everything you need to feed in this part, you get that information from your invitation letter. You may say stroke conference. I'm just using as a reference, but this is not the exact thing. You get it? Location of this conference, you may put Victoria Avenue. So you put dates, maybe these dates, the dates should be in the same line with the dates of the dates you are planning to travel, because I showed you that we shall be traveling in August 9th. You understand? Meaning by 10th the event will be starting, then the event will end. Remember we said on 18th August we shall be leaving that country. So meaning on 18th we shall be leaving that country, meaning on 17th or 16th the event will be done. So maybe we may consider 17th or 16th. Let us consider 16th. Maybe by 17th we shall be taking, like, having a break. You get it? Confirm. So here they're asking you organization address. So please, here you see what I told you, the invitation letter you get, or when you apply for the conference organizers, they will put the address where the conference will be held. So guys, you get all that information from the invitation letter. I don't want you to be stuck. So the organization you put, maybe we may say maybe Rotary International, something like that. I'm just using that because I already have it in my system, guys. So you can consider this. This is the address, the postal code. Basically, someone on that address, this is the person they will contact. You get all this information you feed in here from your invitation letter. That invitation letter has the phone number, the email address, the names of the person you will contact, the address of the event. You get all that information from the invitation letter. So for me, what I have fed in here in this application form, I have shown you that they will contact this person to approve you that what you are talking about, it's true, and this person is responsible of your stay in Australia. Hope you have got me. So we say next here. An errors occurred. Where do I have? Here position. Okay, we may say director. Okay, we may say it's the director, or maybe secretary, or conference, or organizer. So everything is like that. So here basically they are showing you in the last 5 years, as any applicant visited or lived outside their country of passport for more than 3 consecutive months. Do not include. You may say yes or no. If you don't belong here, you say maybe no. If you say yes, you give the details. If you say yes, you will put here the details here. You understand? But me, I will say no. Okay, does any applicant intend to enter a hospital or what? You say no. Does any applicant intend to work? No, because remember, you are going for the visitor visa, you are going to attend a conference, you are not going to work. You say no. Does any applicant intend to work or study or train? You say no. Has any applicant, you say no. You read through. I'm just showing you what exactly should be done. You understand me? During the proposed visitor visa, does an applicant expect to incur a medical cost or require treatment? You say no. Does any applicant require assistance with the mobility or care? No. Then we say next. So guys, we are almost there. Has any applicant ever been charged with any legal offense? You say no. Has any applicant ever been confessed? You say no. Has the applicant ever been a subject of domestic violence? No. Has an applicant ever been a subject of an arrest warrant? You say no. Sexual assault? No. Offender register? No. Offensive? No. Fined by court? No. Here you say, has an applicant ever been directly or indirectly? No. Applicant genocide? No. Being associated with personal group? No. no. Police, military, involved in people in smuggling, no. Deported, no. As an applicant, ever overstayed, no. No. Then we come here and we say next. As this applicant or does the applicant currently order a visa to Australia or any other country, you say no. Has this applicant ever been in Australia or any other country and not complied with the visa conditions? No. Has the applicant ever had a visa for Australia or the country refused? You say no. If it is your first time, if you have never been denied Australian visa, you say no. But if they have ever denied you a visa, you say yes. Then after you give the details. Hope you get me. Giving false or misleading information is a serious offense. Okay. Have you read and understood the terms and the conditions? Yes, 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 yes. Agree to understand. I agree not to undertake study. Yes, yes, yes. Give yes. Give consultation. Yes. Understand that the visa officer does not copy. Yes. Give consent. Yes. Understand that this visa cases. Yes. Then you say next. Is the applicant currently outside? So all these are the information they are showing you. They want you to prove that this whether the information you gave is correct. So you will calm down, you go through everything, you say next. So this is the step where you have to submit. You see the last step, they are showing you where you should submit where you should attach your documents. You get it? So at this last step, that's where you will put, you see the first one, travel document. You will put your passport here. You just click here, add, then you attach your document. You understand me? Please, you see they asking you select a value, then you will say passport. Then if you say passport, you will come here. You will say choose a file, then you upload your passport here. Evidence of financial status of funding to a visitor visa. So you come, you upload your bank statement, a cover letter from the bank. If you have land agreements, you attach a land agreement. If you have a car license or a car logbook, you attach it here. If you have like any registered company or an operating company, you attach all the documents here. You understand? Let me show you what it means. As I explained to you when it came to Canadian visa, all those documents I showed you, almost they are the same documents you should use when you're applying for the visitor visa. If you didn't watch that video, I will put the link for the required documents for the Canadian. Almost they are the same documents needed when you're applying for the Australian visa. As you can see here, your own financial documents and documents from others who will be supporting you. So almost the same documents. So guys, here your evidence of financial support, you upload the documents you have. If you have a job, you put a reference letter from your job, from your employer. You put a confirmation letter, the letter that they gave you when they were approving that job. And what else? I have already talked about the land titles. If you don't have a land title, you can put a land agreement. If you are married, no, on financial status, you put a bank statement, business cards, like business registration cards. You put those receipts, URL receipts you use when you are paying money. Whenever you are, the more documents you submit here, the more chances you increase of getting the visa. Evidence of current employment job. So here, evidence what they need from you. You get a recommendation letter from your employer. You attach it here. You get a confirmation, job confirmation letter from your employer here. Then maybe you may attach the pay slips. When they are giving you your salary, you may ask for pay slips from your bosses. They will give them to you. Travel history. Then what you will do in your passport, print all the stamps or visas that are in your passport, make them into one file, scan them, put them into one PDF, then upload them. Just click here, you select here, then you attach. You can see entry and exit stamps pages. Then they will show you. You see, choose files. You'll come here, then you choose files, you upload your document. Business reason for your travel. This is an invitation letter. You put your invitation letter here as they are showing you. Sorry for that. Family register and composition form. So it's here also. You just attach, you just fill the form here, you upload it here, guys. So basically that's it. After you have uploaded all of these documents here, after you have done uploading these documents, you will continue and go here. You see this button here, there is next here. I can't continue you can't continue without uploading these documents, guys. So basically that's it. After you have submitted these documents, you will go here, continue, you put your card and you pay the 190 Australian dollars. Then your application will be submitted and you will wait for the feedback from the immigration officers. After you have uploaded these documents, you click here next, you submit your application. You will be seeing where you have to pay the amount of money for this visa application form. Then you submit. The next thing, you will be able to book for the biometrics fingerprint. I made a video for you guys showing you how you can book for biometric fingerprints. Then that will be the end of the story. You will have to wait when they approve you for the visa. That's good for you guys. I wish you all the best. So please guys, I do request you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the only way you can appreciate me, the work I'm doing. That's the only way you can appreciate me, by subscribing to my YouTube channel. I love you all and I wish you all the best, guys. Good luck. I sign out.